Hi everyone, thanks for visiting my channel. Hope everybody's doing well. Today we have a 2005 Hyundai Elantra 2.0 with an automatic transmission. It needs a transpan drain. I like to drain the transpan like every 20,000 miles. The car has 150,000 on it now. I just do a drain every 20,000 and it seems to be good. It's pretty easy to do. Over here are the tools we need. I just got my glasses, gloves, crush washer, 24mm socket to take off the drain plug. Got some paper towels, drain pan, and I've had good luck with Max Life in this car. So I'll put the glasses on, the gloves, and we'll get started. I got it up on ramps so it's easier to work on. You could jack it up, put jack stands if you wanted. First thing I'm gonna do is gonna take that trans dipstick out. That's gonna help it drain better. And I'm gonna take the drain pan and the socket wrench and go underneath. See if I can get a good shot on it for you. That's right there. You see that little orange plug right there? That's the drain pan. That's the drain plug. So I'm gonna do 24mm socket on this thing. Not too tight. There we go. We'll drain it out. So here's the crush washer on it. We have to replace that. Let's see how red it is. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it looks pretty red. 20,000 miles ago is when I changed it. It looks in good shape still, so I might stretch it out 30. There's not much dirt on the magnet on the plug. There's not much dirt on there. Let that drain out. I'm gonna get the crush washer. This is really fast and it's worth it because a gallon of Max Life is like $18. And for $18, you know, you take really good care of your trans. It's almost done dripping here. And after it's all done, I'm going to take it and I'm going to measure it. And then I'm going to put the exact amount back in. It's a lot easier than trying to, you know, warm it up to a certain temperature and doing the dipstick. And looks like it's almost done here. Got the new crush washer on there. You can see it. Get it back in. And I'm not going to torque it on real tight, just enough to crush the washer because this is a 1/2-inch drive, so you don't want to go crazy with it. There we go. Yeah, that's it. That's done. Now I'll come back out and I'll measure it. Oh, the one thing I forgot to tell you about was going to be the funnel to put it back in. See one of these funnels right here, you know, the long tube ones. You just stick it in the power steering, just like that. All right, so now I'm gonna measure and see how much I got here. So I'm gonna pour it into here. So it looks pretty good. But you got that peace of mind and having, it doesn't take out all the fluid. It's probably gonna take out about 3 quarts. But it's 3 quarts of new fluid. Now I'm gonna take a look at it. Let's see, it's a 2.5. Let's put it up there. So it looks like almost 3 quarts, because there's a quarts here on the left side. Almost 3 quarts. So that's what I'm gonna put back in. I'm gonna measure here. I have 3 quarts in this one already. So I'm gonna take a little bit out. It doesn't have to be exact, but I try to get as close as possible. Oh, that's less. There we go. That looks good. Okay, then I'm just going to take it and pour it right in here. A little at a time, because sometimes it burps. It spits back out at you. There it goes. That air bubble in there. See. Pour a little bit more. Taking its time. Ooh, there's one burp. There's an air pocket in there. A little bit more. That's all of it. I'll try to get a face full of transmission fluid. This stuff. Okay, now I put the almost the exact amount as I took out, so it should be good. I'll take this out. Put the dipstick back in. And I'm gonna start the car up, get it off the ramp. And I'll shift it through the gears to make sure, you know, the fluid gets to all the gears, and then we're done. Let it run for a few minutes, let it circulate, and it's all done. That's how easy it is to drain the pan. It takes like 15-20 minutes. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a good day. Bye-bye.